everyone, welcome to Ashwin's Astrology. I hope you like my videos so far. Kindly like, comment and share the videos among your friends and family circle, especially with those who are interested in Vedic astrology. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Ashwin's Astrology and also press the bell icon to receive instant notifications. For further information, you can refer to About section of my YouTube channel Ashwin's Astrology. Continuing with the Panchamaha Yoga, today let's see about Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga. Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga is formed by planet Jupiter. Jupiter should be either in own sign, exaltation sign or in Mula Trikona sign for the formation of this yoga, and then that sign should be in Kendra Bhava from the Lagna or moon. If any of our viewers are very new to the channel and to this video, kindly refer to our other videos, especially basic series of Kundli, which I have made a playlist and I have even mentioned in the description. There I have explained the difference between the Rashi as well as the Bhava, which will help you to understand these Panchamaha Yogas in much better way. So coming to this, it is a Kalpurush Kundli which I have taken. So here I have presented both South Indian as well as North Indian format. Jupiter is in Cancer sign, which is an exaltation sign, or Jupiter in Sagittarius, which is a Mool Trikona, and Jupiter in Pisces, which is a normal own sign for Jupiter. So only when Jupiter is present in these signs, and if this sign happens to be the Kendra, that is 1, 4, 7, 10 from Lagna or from Moon, then Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga is formed. So let's see what are the Lagnas or the signs where Moon can be placed so that Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga is there for a native. Suppose if a person is born in a movable sign, we know that this is a movable, this is fixed and this is dual sign. Aries, Taurus, Gemini. So we start here like movable, fixed and then dual, movable, fixed, dual, movable, fixed, dual, movable, fixed, dual, like this. So if anyone has movable sign has Lagna or Moon is in movable sign, that is Aries, Cancer, Libra and Capricorn, then placement of Jupiter should be in Cancer to have Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga. If actually Jupiter is in Sagittarius or in Pisces, which is dual sign, Lagna or Moon should be either in any of these 4 dual signs, that is Pisces, Gemini, Virgo or in Sagittarius, the way we saw in Bhadra Mahapurusha Yoga. So in short, for the formation of Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga, either it should be movable sign Lagna or movable sign Moon or dual sign Moon or dual sign Lagna. So apart from Aries, Gemini, Cancer, Virgo, Libra, Sagittarius, Capricorn and Pisces, no other signs, that is the fixed Lagnas cannot have the Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga. Now let's see what are the results of this Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga. So as Jupiter is denoted for education, knowledge, intelligence and all, so the person will be learned, intelligent, good looking, because that gives the kind of a very attractive and a charmness also, because if a person is intelligent enough, if a person is knowledgeable, definitely that glow will be visible in his or her face. Then knowledge of scriptures, because particularly scriptures, because Jupiter is Dharma Karaka, is the natural 9th lord. Then wisdom, idealistic, philosophy, prosperity, wealthy, noble, charitable, influential, respectable, close to king or high position in society, because Jupiter is Guru, Bruhaspati, and Bruhaspati was the Guru of Devtas, and that's the reason he was very close to king, that is Indra, and that's why he held a very high position in Swarga as well. So the same kind of position or the same kind of factor is what we are considering here also. And the person who has Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga is like a beacon light to everyone. They give very good guidance and they are very good counselors as well, and they will have good amount of children, well behaved children and also grandchildren also. So their family will be complete, or they will have a very good family, and they will be spiritually inclined also, and they will be forgiving in nature. They will be very noble and very charitable, very respectable and respect everyone also. So these are the results of Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga. So based on the condition of Jupiter in the yoga, whether it is of very good strength and forming the yoga from both Lagna and Moon, then the results of this will be much enhanced. So as you can see, it is the same characteristics of Jupiter but in a very enhanced manner, and that's what is given in the Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga. Now let's take up couple of charts to understand how this yoga is formed in a native's horoscope and what are the kind of results that native has achieved in his or her life. This is the chart of Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla. We know Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla is one of the well-known Indian billionaire, industrialist, philanthropist, chairman of Aditya Birla Group, and also educationist, who is the chancellor of BITS Pilani and also IIM Ahmedabad. So if you see his chart, it is a Cancer Lagna with exalted Jupiter in the Lagna, thus forming the Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga. So if you see the Vimshottari Dasha pattern, he is yet to get he is yet to get Jupiter and Jupiter Mahadasha, and he is in Rahu Mahadasha. So in Moon Mahadasha, when Moon somewhere in Moon Jupiter onwards only, he started his main set of career, that is he took over the family business and consolidated all the group companies under the brand Aditya Birla Group. So this is one of the major achievement we can see in Moon Jupiter. And also if we look at his philanthropy is also somewhat done by Jupiter influenced world. So we can see that also in his he donated around 500 crores toward COVID relief measures, and he contributed around 400 crores to PM CARES Fund. So he has created a 15 million pound endowed scholarship program to support 10 full-time MBA candidates every year at the London Business School. And yeah, so there are many things which they have done, and Birla Mandirs, Birla BITS Pilani. So the Jupiter significations like temples, schools, education centers, all those things you can see in his chart, and it's all the results of Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga, because Jupiter for this Lagna is 6th and 9th lord. So he has done the dharma related works like building temples also, and also he has done education related work also. So the 6th house of philanthropy is also there. So you can see a lot of charitable work done by Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla, and his chart is well supporting to that. And if we see from 2029 onwards, he will have this Jupiter Mahadasha, and definitely this gonna bring him back in the business no matter what the current situation is. So this is how we can analyze the Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga in Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla's chart. This is the chart of Mr. Rudyard Kipling. Mr. Rudyard Kipling was an English novelist, short story writer, poet and journalist. He was well known or well remembered in India for his poem in 1890, that is Ganga Din, where he is much more like remembered for its final line, "You are a better man than I am, Ganga Din." So if you look at his chart, it is Gemini Lagna with Jupiter in Mool Trikona in Sagittarius, which is the Kendra from the Lagna, that is 7th house, and thus forming Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga. Here Jupiter is also conjoined with Sun, Venus, Mars, Mercury, everything. So this should give him the rating, because 4th Lord and the Lagna Lord Mercury is also here, who is retrograde yet joining them, and also Mars, who is the 11th Lord as well as the 6th Lord, then Venus, who is the 12th Lord and the 5th Lord. So like this, there's other planets also supporting this combination. And we saw that in 1891 to 1907 he had Jupiter Mahadasha, and this was the time period he wrote many great works. Jungle Book and the second Jungle Book, Just So Stories, Kim, The Man Who Would Be King. The poems include Mandalay, then Ganga Din, Gods of the Copybook Headings, then all this. So most of his great works did come in 1891 onwards, that is Jungle Book and Kim and all. So Jupiter Mahadasha did give him a very good results, and that's how we can see in his biography also. So this was how we can analyze Mr. Rudyard Kipling's chart also for Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga. So this was all about Hamsa Mahapurusha Yoga. If you have this yoga in your horoscope or in any of your family friend circle, Please let us know in the comments about the results you have received, because Jupiter is such a unconditional benefit that he even excels, he even expands the results, especially the benefic results. Until we come up with the next video, have a good day. Thank you.